I'm tired of juicers. I don't see the point in getting a juicer anymore most of the time. All of the fibers that we strip away from the fruit, we need that. I discovered that this nutmilkmaker can chop down everything that I put in it so well that I barely even need the strainer. I probably use this thing every day. If not, then every other day. I don't have to watch it. I can walk away when it's juicing. If you don't F with fibers, for whatever personal reason you have me, I'm taking all of that. Comment for more recipes. 60% off and free shipping today only.